Tenant demand has just hit a 6-year low, but what does that really mean for landlords? Well, tenant demand has fallen by 20% in the last year, the lowest for this time of year since 2019. Why? Two major shifts. So firstly, net migration has dropped by 78% in just 2 years, and there are more first-time buyers, over 350,000 expected by the end of 2025, meaning more renters are moving into home ownership and more rental stock is being freed up. At the same time, rental supply is up 15%, so tenants now have more choice than they have had in previous years. So what does this mean for landlords? Well, with more competition and fewer tenants, landlords need smarter pricing, sharper marketing, and faster processes to avoid void periods. Time to let has stretched to 17 days, almost 20% slower than last year. And here's a stat that landlords rarely hear but always react to. Every week your property sits empty, it costs you 2% of your annual rental income. Void periods have never been more expensive. But here's the good news. Despite the market cooling, rents are still rising, just more sustainably. UK rents are up 2.2% this year, the slowest in 4 years, but moving in line with earnings again. The shift towards balance means better long-term stability, lower tenant turnover, and more predictable returns for landlords. And looking ahead, the forecast for 2026 is an increase of 2.5% rental growth, which is steady. With more stock, slower demand and longer time to let, standing out is everything. If you want fewer voids, better tenants and maximum return, now is the time to level up your marketing strategy. So, get in touch and let's make your rental stand out in 2026.